Okay, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making fried Oreos. Really simple recipe. I'm just gonna mix up some pancake mix and then I'm gonna deep fry my double stuffed Oreos. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start by just adding water to my pancake mix. I don't want it too thick or too thin. I just want it to cover my Oreos really well. And then I'm gonna dunk them in here and fry them up. Okay, so my pancake mix is ready. Now I'm just gonna stick my Oreo on a fork and I'm gonna dump it in there. Get it nice and coated. Okay, that kind of broke my cookie, but y'all get the point. But dunk it in there. How about I just do it like that? Dunk it in there. Boom, get it nice and covered up. Shake off the excess pancake mix and we are ready to fry these up. So I'm going to do that to a few more cookies and then I'm going to fry them. Let them fry until they are golden brown. Okay, so now my Oreos are done. Now I'm just going to make a few finishing touches with some powdered sugar. And then I am ready to plate them up. To really finish these off, I got a can of strawberry topping and pie filling, and I'm just gonna put a little bit on top of my Oreos just to make it look a little fancy, and to also add a little more razzle dazzle to it. And that is it. Now you could eat these with some ice cream, but we're trying to be healthy this year, remember? So we're not gonna go overboard. Let's just call this our cheat snack of the year. And that is it for these fried Oreos. Really quick, really simple, only a few ingredients and you can make something as fancy as this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the description box for everything that I use down below.